Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check Netspend card expiry date. Netspend is a prepaid debit card service that allows users to manage money, receive direct deposits and make purchases without traditional bank account. Netspend cards are widely used in the US and internationally for their flexible secure spending. Like all cards, Netspend card have an expiry date which you'll need to know to avoid the decline transactions. You can simply look to your physical card. The easiest method is to check your card itself. The expiry date is printed in the front of the card number. It usually appears as the month here. You can also check online via the Netspend account. Open any of the web browser and in the top there's an address bar. Type down netspend.com and enter it. And over here, once you get into this interface, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this help center. You can select to this help center here and scroll a bit down until you find this phone number here. And if you cannot access your card physically or online, you can call to this Netspend customer service at this phone number and provide your card number and verify identity, and they can tell you the expiry date. And Netspend card usually expire at the end of the month shown on the card, and if your card is nearly expired, you can request a replacement online or via customer service. And this is it. This is how you can check Netspend card expiry date. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.